Hello guys! We are going to make ubi makapuno mahablangka today. Dahil magdonot yung buena, hahabol tayo ng isang menu na swak at patok na patok sa masa. Madali lang lutuin guys. Yung ingredients is condensed milk, coconut milk, cornstarch, grated young coconut, ubi flavor, food coloring, at saka yung cheese for toppings. Gagawin na natin is imimix lang natin yung lahat ng ingredients nito na condensed milk, coconut milk, cornstarch, grated young coconut, ubi flavor, food coloring. Ratio is 1:3. Kapag nagsabi na 1:3, 1 cup of cornstarch and 3 cups of coconut milk. Ganon ang ratio po para mas masarap yun. Yan. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Masarap. Ang ubi makapuno mahablangka. Mix na natin lahat yung ingredients. At be sure na ma-mix natin thoroughly ha. Well blend natin. Tapos ilagay natin sa apoy. Medium heat lang po yung pagkaka-luto. Mapifeel naman natin na okay na yun kung medyo malapot na yung mixture natin. At saka pwede na natin yan. Yan, tignan nyo yan. I-blend. Well blend yan ha. Tsaka kung medyo heavy na siya, pwede na nating i-transfer sa container natin. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Kain na tayo guys. Bye!